And today we are talking about the third conditional. The third conditional is a little strange because we're talking about something that didn't happen in the past. Why would we do that? Well, because sometimes we want to imagine a different outcome. A friend of mine came to visit me yesterday. It was a surprise. So when I opened my front door, I said, if I'd known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. Did I know she was coming? No. Did I bake a cake? No. So I'm imagining a different result. Because we're talking about an imaginary past, we use if plus the subject plus the past perfect, and then the subject plus would have plus past participle. And you can also swap those round. What would you have done if you'd known your friend was coming?